If you remember, I had this aluminum-like contact paper that I was going to use on the countertop, but it was a little bit too flashy, so I trashed it. But I am going to use it to line the inside of the drawers of the bathroom vanity. So here's how I'm going to do it. And now that the contact paper has been placed in the drawer, I went ahead and added the front facing to the drawer. And boy, was I excited to get this one done. If you recall in an earlier vlog, I took those decals and placed them around the mirror just to make sure I had enough decals and I didn't need to do any cutting. Now I'm going to take the decals and place them on the mirror, and I think it came out really nice. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. Now I'm assuming that the knobs that I was trying to remove were here when the house was built because it took a little bit more effort than I anticipated to get it off. But I managed to do that by using a knife and the razor cutting around the edges. Now the install for the new fixtures, that was a piece of cake. I picked up this handy soap, shampoo, and conditioner dispenser from Amazon, and I'll show you what that looks like at the end of this project. Using some of the remaining wallpaper, I decided I was going to write one of my favorite quotes: "Be hopeful, faithful, encouraged." And I'm placing this on the medicine cabinet mirror. I know that mirrors give off a lot of light in a bathroom, but with the change in the color of the bathroom, I think I could do without this one mirror.